Y'all, UFOs are fascinating. Hell, I'm still reeling from that living metal weird UFO thing that we saw yesterday. And today, I've got even more UFO sightings for you. Now, I want to start with an oldie but a goodie, because as you know, the older clips are much harder to fake, especially when AI and most of the crap we have now didn't exist. So today we're starting with the Catalina Island UFO that was recorded in 1966. This flying disc showcases what we would traditionally call a flying saucer, and it is an incredible capture from a day gone by. Let me know what you think in the comments about this.
You are seeing an unidentified flying object. It is not a hoax. It is real. The film was taken by Leland Hansen while filming Catalina Island from a helicopter. Mr. Hansen was a professional photographer working for the United States Navy. This film has been examined by photographic experts. Photographic analysis reveals that this circular UFO was about 30 feet in diameter and was traveling between 130 and 170 miles per hour. It has no wings, no tail section, and no visible means of propulsion. Mr. Hansen also observed this object hovering stationary in the air before it began to move.
I find it fascinating how it was just hovering along. It was so strange. These people felt compelled to pull out their camera and record because you weren't going to waste your film on just anything. I mean, you saw how old the video is, right? I think it's fantastic and it's nearly impossible to fake just because back then we barely had anything. Next, a much more recent UFO uploaded by Red Panda Koala, and it showcases a UFO filmed above a beach in Florida. You just see this speck of light above the water and it starts moving. And the mofo is moving fast. And you can see like people and like little boats and stuff. So you can tell it's none of that stuff. It's something else. Take a look. That little heifer was moving. And when I saw like the red and blue lights, I was like, "Oh, the Coast Guard got him." But I don't even know if they noticed it because that thing was just like. Next, Wixie the UFO bloke has uploaded a post featuring orbs in Las Vegas, Nevada. This occurred July 31st, 2025. And when people went to check, there shouldn't have been planes in the sky. When I see this, I kind of thought that at first, but then I'm like, well, they're also very close together. And planes, especially right now, need to be a little farther apart. So the whole thing is very anomalous. Still, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this? That was really interesting. But it is Vegas. So like even though they said that they checked and there wasn't planes, it could have been everything, anything. It could have been like a pyrotechnics show or it's still anomalous. I just wish we had a little more information. Next, we have a UFO that's going viral, but I do have a little bad news about it. First, the clip. It is a massive, according to the post, a massive metallic UFO orb spotted over a extinct volcano in Mexico. Um, when I first saw it, I was like, whoa, 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 what the hell is this? Uh, well, check it out first.
Una esfera.
¿La acercaste? Pero de aquí no.
Aquí la estoy viendo.
Wow, ahorita no le enseño.
¿Qué onda? Una esfera, mira.
Ya viste. Ay,
Ya
la
se
tapó
escondió.
la nube. No, fue la nube. Wow. Síguele viendo, Leti. Por si cuando se quite la nube todavía hay señal. O para ver si...
Okay, so you see that. I saw that. I'm like, what? So I start digging deeper. I'm like, wait, what mountain is this exactly in Mexico? It's not a UFO. It is a telescope that is in Mexico. It's one of those giant telescopes. They have it on the mountain to reduce light pollution and get a deeper look in space. Oh my god, but how cool would that be? I do think it's interesting that it was mistaken for a UFO, but it actually is a device that could possibly find a UFO. It's something to look into space. I just find that very funny. But yes, that super viral UFO isn't actually a UFO. Sorry, guys. Next, we have a clip from Mean Spider, and this occurred on August 2nd, 2025 in Buena Vista, Colorado. And it showcases these very strange flickering lights in the sky. Again, this one seems like it could be one giant craft and we're just seeing lights on either end of it. They checked apps. It didn't seem to be satellites. It wasn't planes, although if you watch the video, you can see it's clearly not a plane. But it's freaking weird, and I want to know what you guys think about it. Smash like and check this out.
To the left too. There's a bunch of them.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude. No way.
There's one, 2, 3, 4.
And I saw it when only one was there.
There's a few over here.
Few over where?
Over here.
Are all these lights?
There's a shit ton of them over here.
What the fuck is this?
There's like a dozen of them over here.
Try to do it on your phone too, because you might even capture it better than I can.
It's a bunch of drones. Like a bunch.
Where are they doing that?
I don't know.
It's like harder for me to.
It's too grainy, I can't see, but I can follow it. It just looks like a white and red blinking light. But there's so many of them. They're everywhere.
Dude.
Do you see what I mean? Like with the way that the lights were shaped, like could this be like a giant celestial craft? Like what the hell is that in the sky? Next, I have a fascinating clip. It is very strange. It is from TikTok, so you guys know, grain of salt, but still, if real, fascinating. The user claims that they caught this while on their way to Mexico. What you're gonna see from the window of a plane is a flying saucer in the air suddenly not zip off. Like that's the weird part. It maybe cloaks, I don't know, it like vanishes into a puff of smoke or something. It's fascinating. Sound off in the comments what you think about this.
Oh my god, did you see that? Oh!
Oh, I'm like, oh my god, it's TikTok. It's like only a few seconds, but then it's like, I don't know. It could be real. It looks pretty convincing. If it's freaking real, that's crazy. What did it do? Where did it go? Next, Positive Song 2293 has uploaded a UFO from Indonesia. This occurred July 14th of 2025, and it showcases an orb rotating in the sky with alternating colors, which is what makes it even stranger. Share this out and see if we can get better analysis. Let me know what you think. Honestly, it looks freaking cool. It looks cool. And then it doesn't just remind me of like UFOs, it reminds me of the interdimensional theory, but also plasma and plasma beings. So many possibilities. We need answers. Now, if you want more UFOs, check out UFO videos right there. Check out the paranormal videos for a little scare. Check out the reading Reddit videos for some fun, and the Mandela effects videos to get your mind blown.